What's going on everybody, Tech Boss here. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use picture mode in MIA1 on after the audio update. So here you see I am using MIA1 on audio, that you are seeing that the model is MIA1 and it is running on 8.0.0, which is supported the picture mode. So in this video I am going to show you that only, how to use picture mode, because if you are go to YouTube and like play any video and go click on home screen, it will not come to this your main home screen, so it will not come like after the full screen also it is not coming to my home screen. So for that we have to play YouTube on Chrome, and for like exactly the Chrome is started. Let's clear all the background. And so this is the main tab, so that here only if you play YouTube and then you will play this video like this, and if you go to full screen and then click home screen, it will not work. I don't know why, but they are not supported. So for using picture mode, you have to go to this three types, and you have to apply desktop site, and after applying desktop site, then you have to go to YouTube and wait for the opening of YouTube, and then you can play video like this one, or it is going to play. So after playing, the ad will come first. The 17-minute ad is here. Fast. And for that, go to this home screen and turn the video, and so after the home screen, then play the home. So see, here we are on the picture mode. We can do anything. See, we can do anything now because we are in picture mode. And drag here to dismiss this, because I am not going to dismiss. Like I have to tag someone, then I can text anybody. And like I have to Gmail someone. Like I have to Gmail my and for applying, instant click on this, going back to VPI. So click on back, and then you will find this picture mode. Click on home screen, and again come back to the main home screen. Go to the home screen. Picture mode. It's really comfortable and it's amazing, really amazing. It dismissed. So friends, this is the type to use picture mode in MIA1 after the audio update. So finally audio is in not beta, it is in stable version. So friends, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please click on thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave me in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I am giving you more tech videos daily. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.